How to draw a polyline with straight and curved segments. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. This video will teach you how to draw a polyline with straight and curved segments in AutoCAD. Click the Home tab. Draw panel. Then Polyline command. Or you can type P-L in the command line, then click Enter. Specify the first point of the polyline. Specify the endpoint of the first segment. Switch to arc mode by entering arc at the command prompt. Return to line mode by entering line. Specify additional segments as needed. Press Enter to end, or Enter C to close the polyline.